Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle the Science 9 Term 1 Week 5 Day 4. So, ang topic natin dito is series circuits review and long quiz. So, kumbaga pinaka-review na lang ito ng kabuuang week. Objectives: explain the relationship among current, voltage, and resistance in series using Ohm's law and circuit diagrams. Interpret circuit diagrams in solving problems involving current, voltage, and resistance. Demonstrate honesty, focus, and responsibility while answering the quiz about electric circuits. Okay, let us have a review. The key concepts in electricity. What is electric current? Electric current is the flow of electric charges or electrons through a conductor such as wire. Think of a current like water flowing in a pipe. The stronger the flow, the greater the current. Okay, the unit of current is ampere. The symbol of ampere is A. Example, when a bulb lights up, electric current is flowing through the filament. Okay, the voltage. Voltage is the electrical pressure that pushes electrons through a circuit. You may imagine voltage as the pump pushing water through pipes. Okay, the unit of voltage is volt. Example, a battery provides voltage that pushes current through a wire and lights a bulb. Okay, resistance. This is the opposition to the flow of electric current. If a wire or component resists the movement of electrons, the current decreases. Okay, the unit of resistance is ohms. Example, a thin wire has more resistance than a thick wire. O, tandaan natin yan. The smaller the wire, the higher the resistance. Mas maliit po, mas mataas ang resistance. The longer the wire, the higher the resistance. Yun yung mga concept sa resistance. Okay, the relationship among these three quantities is explained by the Ohm's law. Okay, the formula I is equals to V over R, or current is equals to voltage, is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance. Where I is the current, V is the voltage, R is the resistance. This means increasing voltage increases current. Increasing resistance decreases current. So the greater the voltage, the greater the current. The greater the resistance, the lower the current. Okay, electric circuits. An electric circuit is a complete path that allows electric current to flow. Okay, the basic parts of circuit include battery or the source of energy, wires or conductors, load, bulb, resistor, and appliances. And then switch controls the circuit. Okay, let us answer these questions. A series circuit is a circuit where components are connected. Okay, the answer is sequentially. How many paths does a series circuit have for current flow? So, ilan? Pag series. Okay, that is only 1. What happens when one bulb breaks in a series circuit? Anong mangyayari? Okay. Stop. Flow stops. Total resistance in a series circuit is obtained by, okay, that is just adding. Okay, which of the following is an example of series circuit? Okay, that is old Christmas lights. In a series circuit, component is blank in all components. Okay, that is the same. Yun ang sa series po. Kung ano yung current ng isa, yun din ang current ng lahat na parts. If resistance increases and voltage is constant, current will blank. Okay, that should be decrease kasi they are inversely proportional. The unit of electric current is blank. Okay, that is ampere. Okay, the path where electricity flows is called blank. Okay, the circuit. Which statement is true about series circuit? Basahin niyo po ano dyan ang totoo sa series circuit. Okay, components are connected one after another. Okay, true or false? Let us answer these questions. Write true if the statement is correct, otherwise false. Number 1, series circuit has only one path for electricity. Okay, that is true. If one component fails, the whole series circuit stops working. Ano sagot po natin? Okay, that is true. Adding resistors decreases total resistance. Okay, that is false. Current is the same in all parts of the series circuit. Okay, that's true. Christmas lights are example of series circuits. Resistance is opposition to current flow. Okay, that's true. Series circuits are complicated to design. Okay, false. Removal of battery stops the circuit from working. Okay, that is true. More resistors mean brighter bulbs in series circuit. Okay, that's false. Sequential connection means components are arranged in line. Okay. Identify the correct answer. Okay, number 1. Circuit with only one path. Okay, the answer is series circuit. Opposition to current. Okay, that is resistance. Flow of electrons, or that is electricity. Source of electrical energy. Ayan. Source of electrical energy, that is the voltage or battery. Device that opens or closes circuit. Sum of all resistances in series, total resistance. Okay, the unit of resistance, ohms. The unit of current is ampere. Okay, path where electricity flows. Path where electricity flows, that is the circuit. Component that uses electrical energy. Okay, that is loads.